If you want a lightweight version of Windows 11 that doesn't require high system requirements and runs on low-spec devices, you can upgrade to Windows 11 IoT Enterprise LTSC. In this tutorial, I will explain how to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 IoT Enterprise LTSC for all unsupported devices. Well, let's get started. We will go to Google search and type Windows 11 IoT Enterprise LTSC. We will go to the first link. We can download Windows from this link. But before downloading Windows, let's look at the system requirements for this lightweight version of Windows 11. We'll click on Hardware. Now we scroll down. We will find Optional and Preferred Requirements. Here we will find that this version of Windows 11 only requires a 1 GHz processor, with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage in Partition C. For optional requirements, the lightweight version of Windows 11 can be installed on an HDD or SSD. The firmware is BIOS or UEFI. Most importantly, the absence of a TPM chip or the activation of Secure Boot is not necessary to install the lightweight version of Windows 11. The best thing about this version of Windows 11 is that it will continue to receive security updates until 2034. We will now download Windows by clicking on this link. I have already downloaded Windows. This is the lightweight version of Windows 11 LTSC Edition. Before starting the upgrade process to Windows 11, you must ensure that you are running a 64-bit version of Windows 10. To confirm this, we will right-click on this PC icon. Then we click on Properties. Through System Type, we will ensure that we are working on a 64-bit system. Now let's check if this device meets the requirements for Windows 11 or not. This is the Pro version of Windows 11. Now I will extract the Windows files to a virtual drive by right-clicking on it and selecting Mount. I will now double-click the setup file. As you can see, this device does not meet the requirements of Windows 11 because it does not support a TPM chip, and it does not have the minimum RAM requirement. Now we will extract the files of the lightweight version of Windows 11 to a virtual drive. I will now double-click the setup file. Now we will click on this option and select Not Now. If you want to download drivers and updates, leave the selection on the first option. Then I will click on Next. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, all unsupported devices can install this lightweight version of Windows 11. Here I will click Accept to agree to the license terms. You can choose to keep your personal files or delete everything. I will choose to keep the personal files. Then I will click on Next. If this warning appears, I will press Yes. Now I will click on Install to begin the Windows 11 upgrade process. If you are using a laptop, you must make sure it is connected to a power source. The time the upgrade process takes depends on your computer and internet speed. The computer will restart several times during the upgrade process. There's an important piece of information about this version that I'll tell you at the end of the video. We will disable all these options. The upgrade process was completed successfully. As you can see, there are no built-in applications like in the Pro version. This version of Windows 11 is a trial version that works for 90 days. If you see this message stating that your Windows license has expired, all you have to do is restart your computer. Wait a little while and you will find that you now have a 90-day trial period. After the Windows trial period ends, you can reactivate it using the following steps. Next, we will go to Windows search and type CMD. Then right-click and select Run as Administrator. Here we will write this command to reactivate Windows. Then we press Enter. After that, a message will appear confirming the success of the operation. After that, all you have to do is restart your computer. At the end of the video you will find a playlist containing all the other ways to upgrade to Windows 11 for all supported and unsupported devices. If you like the video, click like and subscribe to my channel to encourage me to provide everything new.